Hi, my name is Sir Dutan II. In this video is all about the importance of understanding the self to my future career as civil engineer. Because I want to fulfill my father's dream of becoming a civil engineer. Understanding oneself is crucial for any career, including engineering. Knowing my strengths, weaknesses, values, and passions, it can help me to align my career choices, what truly matters to me. It enables to me to choose projects and roles that resonate with my interests and talents, leading to greater job satisfaction and success. Additionally, self-awareness fosters effective communication, teamwork, and leadership, which are essential in engineering projects that often require collaboration and coordination among diverse teams. So taking the time to understand myself can significantly impact my future career as civil engineering.